So web server. What is a web server? Web server is basically a computer. In previous video I told you about client server architecture and request response architecture. It is the same. We will be explaining it into the video. A web server is a computer program that uses the client server technology. Okay, and the World Wide Web hypertext transfer protocol HTTP, that is already discussed, serves the file that from web page to the web user. Okay, when a web user wants a page, means we want to see a page of Hindustan Media, so we will type in our browser Hindustan Media. So Hindustan Media's page will be displayed to us from the server. So we will request for the page to the browser to the server using my browser. The browser is the client and the server is the computer which is having the information stored in it. Okay, so it is always active and connected to the internet. Every computer on the internet that contains a website must have a web server program as it is request HTML file. So HTML files are generated and given to the clients. Thus the main function of the web server is to when it receives a request from the web browser, it finds the document, generates the information needed and send it to the back to the browser. Means it is getting a request, then it is responding. Request and response architecture. It is the request response architecture. Okay, a web server is a computer that contains the information that the user of the internet can access by using their web browsers. Okay, so the next term is web browser. What is a web browser? In the previous video I told you what are the requirements for internet connection: a computer, ISP connection, a modem and the web browser. So web browser is a software application. So yes, it is a software application which enables a user to display and interact with the text, image, video, music, games and other information typically located at a web page at the website. Website, I already told you, is stored on a web server. So we want to access these information which are stored to a server, so we will use a software. For that, the software is web browser. So for example, if you are connected to a internet, you double click the browser icon, your browser screen opens, means the welcome screen opens. After a few moments later, the browser main screen of the browser appears. The browser then loads up the default home page. Some currently available browsers are, कौन से browser आपको मिलते हैं frequently? Internet Explorer is one of the very common and it is designed by the Microsoft. So in Microsoft Office it is inbuilt browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Apple Safari and Netscape Navigator. These are the very common, very popular web browsers. So now the term website. What do you mean by website? Okay, website is a collection of information. These informations are stored on the pages. These pages are known as web page. So website is a collection of web pages. A web page is a document typically written in HTML. Okay, HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to design the web pages. So typically written in HTML, that is accessible via HTTP. HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol, a protocol that transfers information from web server to display in the user's web browser. So website is basically collection of information, and these informations are written on web pages, and web pages are created by using HTML language. So it is a website. What is a web page? Of course, web page, I already told you. A web page is what you see in your web browser. Everything what you see in your browser are in the form of web pages. Okay, think of the web page as the page is in a magazine. It, of course, a page in the magazine is like a page of the information on the internet, which is web page. It can consist of text, photos, images, links, advertisement, animations, and more of the content, more of the elements on the web page. So what is a home page? Home page is also a page, web page, but it is the first page of the website. I already told you website is a collection of web pages. website क्या है? web pages का collection है. तो उन सारे पेजेस में एक ऐसा पेज होता है जिसको हम लोग मेन पेज बोलते हैं, इंडेक्स पेज बोलते हैं, या होम पेज बोलते हैं. तो वो होम पेज क्या होता है? हर एक पेज से लिंक होता है. इट इज़ लाइक अ रिसेप्शन ऑफ अ ऑफिस फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन go to the every department. Suppose if it is a HR department, it is operational department, it is managerial department, whether you want to go, you can go from the reception. So reception is what? Reception is a main area, so that is home page. Similarly the home page. Okay, the term home page refers the start page or the front page or the main page of the website, as I already told you. And the very important is a web portal. So basically, what is a web portal? Web portal is a customized website that provides information from a wide array of sources in a consistent and uniformed manner. There are various types of web portals depending upon the uses and the content. Government and federal portals, corporate and enterprise portals, cultural and trade portal, stock and financial portals, search portals. So portal means it is having the information from multiple sources and collecting the information and displaying you in a proper organized form. Okay, so it is a web portal. In the next video I will be describing you about the DNS and web addressing, means web address, type of web address, that is IP address, and DNS domain name service. These are very important and crucial concept of the computing and internet. So in this video I told you all about the web terminologies and the type of internet access. In this video all these parts are covered. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home. Thank you. Thanks for watching.